Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing a video on how to host your Discord bot 24/7. Now we're going to be using Heroku for this, and we're going to be using GitHub for this. So first of all you need to make a GitHub account and a Heroku account. Then you need to install an application called Git, which I'll leave in the description for you to install, and it basically allows you to use GitHub on command line. So first of all we need to make a file here, and this is going to be called pro-c file. Then we need to do web : and then node index.js. So this is what's going to store our bot basically. Then we can close that file, we go back into our index.js, and where it says const port, we need to change this to process.env. and then in all capitals port or 3001, because this is what Heroku uses. So we need to do that. And then we can go over to GitHub. So if we go to the top right, make a new repository, and make a new repository. I'm just going to call this test. It's going to be private, and I'll create it. Then what we have to do is basically have to initialize. So we go copy this, go over, open our terminal, and do git init, and then once you've installed it, it should say this. So initialized a git repository in here. Another thing we have to do is we have to make a file called .gitignore, and then we have to put node_modules, because this basically stops us from uploading node modules as it's way too big and we can install it on Heroku. Okay, next we need to commit. So if we literally just copy everything that it has here line by line, I'll be one moment. Okay, I am back. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I'll just do what it says when it gives you something like that. Then you have to do git add dot. So we're adding all the files that are not, like I said, not to add in git.ignore. Then we're going to git commit, and then it will create a mode. Then we need to branch this to main, and then we need to literally just copy this line. Yeah, and then we need to push. So no, I don't need to get GitHub. You have to authorize when it's your first time using Git on an account, but after you've done that you shouldn't have to do it again. Okay, so after you've done that, it should go through all this, and then it will tell you what it's done. And then we need to go over to Heroku. So on Heroku we need to create a new app, and we're literally just going to call this test raptor script, and then we're going to create the app. And then we're literally just going to go over to deploy. We're going to connect to GitHub. When you need to authorize with GitHub, then you can search, and then we're going to connect. So also, if you look on here, if we reload the page, all your files should be on here except that node_modules, because you put it in gitignore. Okay, now we need to enable automatic deploys, and we'll deploy the branch. So automatic deploys basically means that it won't make you to click deploy every time. It should automatically go up. I need to specify the node version. Okay, so this should be useful to people as well. So if we go over to Dev Center, and then it will say specifying a node.js version, so we can literally just go over to here and then copy this, and go back to here, go to package.json. Under main, we can put this and then put another comma. And then for this, we just have to do node hyphen v. No, not node. Node hyphen v. And then it will return our version, which we can just paste into here. Then this will be a good time to explain how to push. So first of all, we need to add again, so git add dot, git add, and then space and dot, git commit hyphen m, and then that should be it. Also git commit hyphen m test git push origin, and then it'll push up to our repo, and then this should automatically start to deploy, but I'm just going to manually do it for now. And let's just wait for this. Okay, build succeeded. Now it's doing this, launching, and it's deployed to Heroku. So if I can click on view, then if we look in our code in our index.js, we did our express server on episode 1, and look what we have here. So anyone can visit this and they can see hello everyone. Okay, so I hope that was helpful for everyone. We're going to be using this a lot more in the future. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Goodbye.